There's a plane making a chemtrail right now, right under the sun. Every time it's really bright out and the skies are clear and nice and blue like this, then they'll start to spray chemtrails near the sun, which instead of being clear like that, there ends up being this gigantic, huge veil over the sun. Like, what are you guys hiding, huh? We don't mind. We actually would like to know. Quit chickening out and fucking show us already. You think you're hiding that chemtrail behind that cloud, but I see it. And now everybody else on YouTube can see it too. Ha ha.